Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all feeling blessed today. So today I am so excited to share with you guys a recipe for juicy honey glazed garlic roasted chicken. This recipe is bursting with flavor. It's super easy to make. It's a simple yet irresistible dish that you won't want to miss. So if you love this video, love the recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious ideas. So to get this recipe started, I've got this beautiful young chicken. That's what it looks like. Nice and clean. We're going to pat the excess water off this beautiful chicken, and then we're going to continue with this honey glazed roasted chicken recipe. To continue with this honey glazed roasted chicken recipe, we're going to get a small size bowl. We're going to add all of these beautiful ingredients to make our marinade for this beautiful honey glazed roasted chicken recipe. So first we're going to add our sea salt. If you have regular table salt, you can use it as well. Next we're going to add our ground black pepper, garlic powder, Now is the perfect time to add our ground ginger. If you have fresh ginger, you can use that as well. The ginger is going to add a hint of sweetness. It's also going to add that nice spice to this honey glazed roasted chicken recipe. To add a delicious and tangy flavor to this honey glazed roasted chicken recipe, we're going to go in and add our low sodium soy sauce. So this low sodium soy sauce is going to create a well-rounded flavor profile for this delicious honey glazed roasted chicken recipe. Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. It's going to add a tangy and slightly spicy flavor. Then we're going to go in with our honey. It's going to add that nice sweetness to this honey glazed roasted chicken recipe. To add more flavor to this honey glazed roasted chicken recipe, we're going to add our minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, that will do as well for this honey glazed roasted chicken recipe. Now we're going to add our extra virgin olive oil. Now we're going to mix for 1 full minute. Make sure all the ingredients are fully combined. And this marinade smells absolutely beautiful, guys. So once this marinade is fully combined, we're going to go ahead and get our chicken ready. We're going to pour this beautiful marinade onto our chicken to make this honey glazed roasted chicken recipe. And that's what our marinade looks like, guys. The smell of this marinade is so beautiful. We're just going to go in with our hands and we're going to massage the marinade onto the chicken. Make sure the chicken is fully coated into this marinade. We're going to flip the chicken over to the opposite side and we're going to pour the marinade onto the back side of the chicken as well. This chicken looks absolutely beautiful, guys. Do you see that? It's nice and juicy. Once the chicken is fully seasoned, you know it's going to taste flavorful and delicious. Okay, so once we're done, we're going to cover this chicken. We're going to marinate for 1 hour overnight. Once it's fully marinated overnight, we're going to continue with this recipe. So like I said, we're going to cover this chicken marinade overnight, and then we're going to continue with this delicious honey glazed roasted chicken recipe. Once it's marinated, we're going to preheat our oven at 350 degrees. We're going to bake this chicken for 1 hour and 30 minutes, guys. Once the chicken is fully baked completely, this is the results that you will get. Okay, this is a fully cooked chicken, fully marinated chicken. It's flavorful, it's delicious honey glazed roasted chicken recipe. I hope you guys enjoy watching this beautiful recipe. If you do like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Take care, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.